I got bitches with me wild. I met a bitch in Bali. I met a bitch in Dallas. Now she work at Magic. Make a bitch move to the city, nigga. I got ball status. Da Vinci on my sweater, bitch. I'm way above average. Rolex on me on TikTok. Savage rock around with the big block. I'm a real gangster, I don't shit talk. Slaughter gang, nigga love to kill. All my pieces flooded. All my drinks come muddy.
Alright, y'all boy. Y'all see I got my metal glasses on. So I'm about to so basically y'all know, since I'm about to put this back on, a lot of y'all ain't up to speed. My apologies for the mess in here. This is about to go. We got something else coming. So shit, I'm about to go ahead and make a little exhaust video for y'all. I'm gonna check this oil right quick, and I'm gonna set the camera up, get some flybys and stuff I ain't never do, and then y'all probably see in the next video too. I'll go ahead and do like a little interview, and if I can, or like I'm gonna do like a 2-year review of it, and then if I can, I'm gonna take my aunt for a ride that live over there where we grew up at. So he been begging to ride in this car, and I might try to take it over there, give him a ride before I get rid of it. But yeah, that's what I got going on. So shoot, let's see. I'm gonna check this oil and then I'll holler back at y'all. Actually, I'll probably film while I check the oil for real. So yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna add some oil after, cause it's like halfway up the thing now. It's definitely finna use some oil when I go ahead and act an ass. Not much, but it just be smarter for me, I think, to put it after, cause it's not like I'm finna be out here making full quarter-mile passes and shit like that. So yeah, it's one of the things where I'm gonna miss the car, bro, but it's time to go. It's time to move on. It's time to move on. I can't be getting attached to stuff that ain't long term, bro. Just like women in your life, y'all. If that woman ain't adding something to you, let it go, bro. Y'all gotta get this money. Y'all be asking me how to get money. Be selfish. Be selfish. Think about what you're trying to accomplish and how you get there. If she ain't adding to that, she gotta go. Period. That's for anything. Your homeboys too. Them lames ain't adding nothing to it. Your partners ain't on nothing. Be okay with just thugging and getting elevated by yourself, bro. I got friends, but I don't give a fuck about it if they really rock with me trying to get to the top. Cause I'm going to the top. So they can meet me there. I got homeboys who working. All them boys know who they is. And we meet up and we just talk about winning. But at the end of the day, you can't force people to get where you want to go. And this next car I'm finna get is one of them. Y'all know the year I done had. Collarbone still broke right now, waiting on surgery. Y'all know the year I had. This one right here is like it's the icing on top. So yeah, that's enough yapping, bro. I'm finna go set this camera up. Hopefully ain't too much traffic. And then we gonna shift a couple gears in this thing. So I'll be back in a little while. Alright, y'all, so I'm out here with the ZL1. Hopefully this video don't turn out weird because I'm filming in 4K, but I don't know, we're gonna see. So yeah, hands down, best sounding vehicle I done had. So before I get rid of it, obviously I gotta record some videos of that raw exhaust, do flybys and stuff, and let y'all see what it's talking about. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this camera up, let y'all hear the exhaust, and then yeah, so we're gonna get this thing rolling. Yes, sir. That's what we talking about. That's why I'ma miss this motherfucker. That bitch stupid, but shit gotta be done, bro. It's gotta be done. All this shit sound good. It don't make it fast, though. But, hell yeah. And then it's getting up there in miles too, y'all. You know, you can't get stuck with shit when it get 100,000 miles on it. It ain't got that or close to that, but yeah, bro. So I'm gonna set the camera up now on the side of the road and get some flybys and let y'all hear what it's talking about. I bet I'll reset my glasses. But y'all set up, get some flybys. I'm gonna probably just do sport. I'll do tour. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, I'm just really fly by in sport. I can't really be playing out here too long. I'm gonna fly by in sport because the sport mode actually, well, not even that. Any mode above like 3,000 something RPM, it's gonna open up anyway. So it don't really matter. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm sorry, I'm fumbling my words and shit. But yeah. So I'm gonna set this camera up for y'all for a sec. Get some flybys. I'll do like a moderate, or I'll do a cruise, a moderate. And then I'll do like a hard acceleration flyby. So yeah, I'll be back in a second. Please don't ask me about that button on my wheel. I got the button, I just took it off. Please don't ask me about it. And it's still going. Hell yeah. Alright, y'all. That's all I got to say. Y'all know what's going on with this. Just be tuned for what's next. Don't be sad. We getting better. We only getting greater. So I'm gonna fuck with y'all later. In the next video, we'll be talking about my 2-year thing of what I don't like and don't like. But y'all know what it is, man. Y'all know every time we pop out harder. So, you know, end of a journey, but it's beginning of another one. Let's go. And it's still going. Hell yeah. Alright, y'all. That's all I got to say. Y'all know what's going on with this. Just be tuned for what's next. Don't be sad. We getting better. We only getting greater. So I'm gonna fuck with y'all later. In the next video, we'll be talking about my 2-year thing of what I don't like and don't like. But y'all know what it is, man. Y'all know every time we pop out harder. So, you know, end of a journey, but it's beginning of another one. Let's go.
Bad bitch with me freaking. Fuck that bitch this evening. Fuck that bitch, then leave her. 21 Savage don't need you. Dog nigga hoe mistreat her. 2 cell phone, sell dope, no beeper. Keep my mouth closed.